This is the view from Smith's Point Campground of Long Island on the 4th of July. It was much more a couple of minutes ago, and I'm sure it didn't even begin. Look at the whole shoreline. How awesome is this? Oh, look at that. The whole shoreline, as far as you can see. As far as you can see. But that one looks like it's blowing a lot of stuff, so let's watch that.
Oh, that one's...
He's getting ready. That must be a finale right there. Well, we shouldn't be in the street. We should go back to our... We'll go back to our spot. Look at this. It's just constant. So this is your 4th of July, Smith's Point. End the video in a minute. Come on, guys, get out of the street.
Drag it. Drag it. Like, you know how we did the canoe? You know how we did the canoe? We do it like that with the chain.
Whole shoreline. Unbelievable. This is the place to be. Wow. Oh, those are loud.
Get more. Oh, yeah.
As far as you can see. The entire shore. Now let's look the other way. We'll go out east more. The whole shoreline. It's wild. That there is crazy. Now they're going some big stuff over here. doesn't stop. It's so insane. And we got them going all the way across. All the way across. Whole skyline. Focus in on it.
What is that?
I stop. Look at it, hasn't stopped yet. It's crazy. No, they keep, once one stops, the others start. That guy has not stopped shooting him yet. Look at this. The whole skyline. I guess I don't have to say it anymore. That might have been the finale for him. He might be done now. Back it up. Wow. Stop. All right, I'm done. I'm going to shut this down.